Smile greetings. You are watching my channel, Learn Sujok for free. And I am Teja Lopal. Friends, this is the 5th course with 10 videos in which you progress to energy healing. In this course, you will actually enter the magical world of energy healing using meridians. In order to gain from this course, you must watch my videos in the order that they are given chronologically, and also watch each video till the end. If you like my videos, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon next to it.
In this video, I would like to introduce another platform for energy healing. We have understood energy healing on the meridians, but other than meridians, there is another system in our body which is called the chakra system. Chinese system has meridians, but the Indian system has meridians as well as chakras. In fact, the Indian meridian is superior to the Chinese meridian because of this. This is the big difference between the Indian and the Chinese energy systems. The metaphysical plane corresponds to and interacts with the physical plane, and it is believed that the body and the mind mutually affect each other. Our subtle body consists of nadis, which are the energy channels, connected by nodes of metaphysical energy, which are called chakras. Now, unlike meridians, the chakras relate to subtle bodies wherein they have a position, but no definite physical connection. The main chakras, according to Hinduism, are arranged in a column along the spinal cord from its base to the top of the head, connected by vertical channels. These chakras can be awakened and energized through various breathing exercises or with the assistance of a teacher. In Sujok, we think of the internal chakras as energy centers located along the central axis of the body, which provide energy circulation to the peripheral meridians related to the chakras. Chakras have a yin front side and a yang back side. All yin organs of the axis law are in front of the body, and so in front of the chakras. And all yang organs of the axis law are in the back of the body, so in the back of the chakras. Now, let us see what are the 7 chakras. The 7 chakras are, first of all, the Ajna chakra, which is the hotness chakra. And the hotness chakra is in the face area. Okay. Then comes the Vishuddha chakra, which is the heat chakra. And this chakra is in the neck or the cervical area. The 3rd chakra is the Anahata chakra, which is the wind chakra, and it is in the chest area. The 4th chakra is the Manipura chakra, which is the humidity energy chakra, which is in the upper abdomen area, just below the diaphragm. The 5th chakra is the Swadhisthana chakra, which is the dryness chakra, and it is in the lower abdomen area, close to your navel point. And the Mooladhara chakra is the 7th chakra, which is the coldness chakra, which is close to your ovaries and testes. Now, these are the 7 chakras that are there in our body, which you can see in this picture. And according to the axis law, like I told you, every chakra is related to the organs, the front and back according to the axis law. Now, when you see according to the axis law, the hotness chakra, which is called the Ajna chakra, is the hotness. Now, you remember was used for all the organs in the inside of the axis law, which means the yin organs. They are called right? And the aha is used for the outside organs in the axis law, which are for the yang organs. All right. Now, the front, which is the hotness chakra, is the hotness, and it supplies energy to both the left and right brain meridian. So the hotness would be brain right related, because the hotness chakra, it provides energy to both the left and right brain meridian, because brain is the hotness organ in the axis law. hotness chakra is the hotness chakra, which supplies energy to both the left and right triple warmer or the spinal cord meridians. Okay. The front humidity chakra is the humidity chakra, and it supplies energy to both the left and right spleen and pancreas meridian, while the back humidity chakra is the humidity chakra, and it supplies energy to both the left and right stomach meridian. The front dryness chakra is the dryness chakra, and it supplies energy to both the left and right lung meridian. And while the back dryness chakra is the dryness chakra, and it supplies energy to both the left and right large intestine meridians. The front coldness chakra is the coldness chakra, and it supplies energy to both the left and right kidney meridian. While the back coldness chakra is the coldness chakra, and it supplies energy to both the left and right UB meridian. The front wind chakra is the wind chakra, and it supplies energy to both the left and right liver meridian, while the back wind chakra is the wind chakra, and it supplies energy to both the left and right gallbladder meridians. The front heat chakra is the heat chakra, which supplies energy to both the left and right heart meridians, while the back chakra, back heat chakra is the heat chakra, and it supplies energy to both the left and right small intestine meridians. So when is treatment done on meridians, and when is it done on the chakras? That is the thing. Like, you can treat these meridians according to chakras also and according to meridians also. So how do we decide when to treat it according to meridians and when to treat according to chakras? So there are, the simple answer is that in acute cases, treat on the meridians. Okay, both the meridians. And in chronic cases, treat on chakras. Meridians are 2, chakra is just 1. Remember, the front part of the chakra, it like we studied, it supplies energy to both the front meridians, and the back part of the chakra supplies energy to both the yang meridians. So meridians are 2 and the chakra is just 1. Now, the simple answer, like I said, is that in acute cases, treat on meridians, and in chronic cases, treat on chakras. Selection of the chakra for treatment is based on mainly 3 criteria. Okay. Now, the first is the pathways criteria. Pathways is like we did, remember, in the meridians also we learned how to treat according to pathway. When we see which organ or which part of the body is placed, on which corporal meridian, then according to that we treat the relevant meridian. Similarly, in this case, according to the pathways criteria, is to select a chakra which is based on the location of the disease. For example, any problem in the lower back is the yang area of the dryness chakra, which is, close to the navel. So it is in the area of the back. So the back chakra, back dryness chakra, or the back Swadhisthana chakra would be actually treating the, the lower back issues. So either we sedate or tonify that dryness chakra. And all cases of face, for example, if there is any issue in the face, can be treated using the hotness or the Ajna chakra. Right? Because that is in the pathway of the Ajna chakra. The Ajna chakra is here. So it treats all the issues related to the face. The second criteria is the energy criteria. Now, this is to select the chakra based on the energy of the disease. For example, for vertigo. Now we know that vertigo is wind energy because it gives movement. Remember, wind energy is for movement. So for treating vertigo, we could treat the wind chakra and sedate it. For high fever, when the fever is high, like we remember, for fever, we were taking the heat energy. So, and our heat energy for acute fever. So the small intestine meridian we were taking. Now, which chakra supplies energy to the small intestine meridian? It is the Ah heat chakra. So you can treat the Ah heat chakra for high fever. Then if a person feels very cold, okay, all the time. So this is a chronic issue and can be treated with chakra. So you can treat the this problem with the Ah coldness chakra. Okay, or you can either sedate the Ah coldness chakra, or you can tonify the coldness chakra, etc. So basically, this is the energy criteria on the basis of which chakras are treated, and especially for chronic cases. The third criteria is the organ criteria. For example, if the disease is in the liver, okay, so then liver is being supplied energy by the wind chakra. So we will either sedate the liver or tonify the liver depending on what the disease is. And if disease is in the kidneys, then we can take the coldness chakra. If disease is in the heart, then we can take the heat chakra, like that. So these are the three criteria on the basis of which chakra treatment is done. In order to treat the chakras, we need to learn the exact location of the chakras on our hand. Now, as hand is similar to the body, so the chakras in our body are also depicted on the hand and can be easily treated on the hand. Let us now map the chakras on the hand on the yin side. Okay, 1 minute, and we can draw it on the paper also if you want. First, let me just share the screen and explain it to you. Now, to map the chakras on the hand, on the yin side first, what you need to do is, you draw a straight line from the middle of the, middle of the middle finger and the ring finger. Draw a straight line going to the middle of the wrist line, like this. This line is drawn. So draw a straight line over here. Now, solar chakra is where this line intersects with the wrist line. So this is the solar chakra. Then draw a line from the center of the top of the thumb to the base of the thumb. Okay. Then draw a line from the base of the thumb to the solar chakra, center of the solar chakra. So this is that line. Now divide the top phalange. Now this is, this is the top phalange of the thumb, right? Divide it into 3 parts. Divide it into 3 parts like this has been done. This one line here, one line here, one line is here, and one line is here. So these are 3 equal parts on the top phalange of the thumb. The hotness chakra is on the top line. So this is the hotness chakra. It is on the top line, where the top line of the first part of the 3 parts coincides with the crosses with the central line. So this is the hotness chakra. And the heat chakra is in the center of the second phalange, the bottom phalange of the thumb. So this is the bottom phalange of the thumb. So the heat chakra is in the center of that thumb. Okay. And these chakras have been drawn according to their natural colors, according to axis law. So you can make out that the hotness chakra is orange, the heat chakra is red, the solar chakra is black, like that. Now, for the wind chakra is in the center of the line that is joining the base of the phalange to the center of the solar chakra. So this line, so in the center of this comes the wind chakra, which is green in color. Right? And then the coldness chakra. The coldness chakra is in the folds between the middle finger and the ring finger. So this is the coldness chakra. For the dryness chakra, now you need to divide this central line into 3 equal parts. So when you divide it, this is one part from here to here. So this is number 5. This is one part, and this is the second part. Okay. 6 from 6. So till 6 is the second part, and from 6 to this solar chakra is the third part. So these are the three parts, from coldness chakra to this 5 point, from 4 to 5, then 5 to 6, and from 6 to the solar chakra. These are three equal parts. The dryness chakra is on the first ending of the first part, just below the coldness chakra. So on 0.5. So this is the dryness chakra, which is brown in color. And for the humidity chakra, you need to divide the central line into 4 equal parts. So when you divide it into 4 equal parts, from the solar chakra to this part, first of all, you divide it into half. So when you divide it into half, the 0.2 comes here, which is the half of this line, and then divide these two lines from 2 to 4 and from solar chakra to 2 into, halves, 2 halves. So this 1 comes here and the number 3 comes here. So humidity chakra is on 0.1, which is the distance, the point between the solar chakra and half of the middle line. So this is the humidity chakra. So this is how chakras have to be placed on your hand. And you can actually do it on the hand also, exactly like this. To map the chakras on the yang side, same thing has to be done. There is only one difference in this. First, let's just revise this. Draw the central line from between the middle finger and the ring finger going to the middle of the wrist, right? And draw the central line on the thumb. Now, this line has to be drawn not till the base of the thumb only, but from the center of the thumb till the metacarpal bone on the hand. Now, when you see it on the hand, the line has to be drawn from the center of the thumb going down till the metacarpal bone over here ends, just till here. It does not go till the wrist line. The wrist line is here, right? Does not go down to the wrist line. It ends where the metacarpal bone is ending. This is the difference between the yin and the yang side. Okay, and the placement of the chakras is pretty much the same. The hotness chakra is on the, over here on the yang side, you divide the area in the top phalange between the nail, end of the nail, and the first phalange line into 3 parts. And the hotness chakra would be basically in the top part. So that is the hotness chakra. The heat chakra will be in the center of the lower phalange. The wind chakra will be in the center of the line joining the base of the thumb till the end of the line, which is where the metacarpal bone ends. So the wind chakra will be in the center of that, green color. Then coldness chakra is between the middle finger and the ring finger in the folds. Then again, you divide this line into 3 parts. So you get one part is from 4 to 5, second part is 5 to 6, and the third part is 6 to solar chakra. These are 3 equal parts. So the dryness chakra is where the first part ends. That is point number 5 beneath the coldness chakra. So that is brown, the dryness chakra. And the humidity chakra, for the humidity chakra, you divide this line into 4 parts, 4 equal parts. So first we divide the line into halves. So number 2 point is basically from the solar chakra to 2, and 2 to 4 are 2 equal halves. Then divide the solar chakra to 2 into 2 equal halves. And that point, number 1, is the humidity chakra, which is yellow. So this is how the chakras have to be placed on your hands and to be treated. This is the drawing for the chakras, how they have to be placed on the yin side and the yang side. If you want, you can take a screenshot so that you will know, and you can practice these on your hand, how they have to be placed, right? Okay. Chakras can be treated by massage and moksha and bunch magnets or seeds. You can, means like, whichever chakra has to be treated, just massage it with the jimmy, with the thick jimmy, if you have this thick jimmy, or even if you have the thin one, it can be massaged with that also. For any side of the jimmy, just massage the chakra. For example, if I'm treating for hypothyroidism, then I'll be treating the heat chakra, which is, pathway of the thyroid gland. So this, I will treat the neck area. So just massage this chakra. And then if you want, you can do moksha on it to give it energy, heat energy, and then apply a bunch magnet. You can apply a bunch magnet to, basically make it function. Okay. Bunch magnet, if you remember, is not for sedation or tonification. It can be applied for just activating the chakra. And chakras are usually, we use this bunch magnet. So this bunch magnet can be with the help of a thick tape, just applied on the chakra like this. The magnets touching the face, the hand. So this is how we activate any chakra that has to be activated. So this is how the chakra treatment has to be done. No need to worry about tonification or sedation when doing these treatments. Also treat, like I've already told you, treat the chakras with their own color. So you can even tonify, like for example, for hypothyroidism, I need to tonify the heat chakra. Okay, so to tonify the heat chakra, what will I do? On the heat chakra, I will start from the center, go clockwise and just color it like this. And this is tonification of the heat chakra with red color. Why? Because remember, according to Axis law, the heat energy color is red. So, and I'm tonifying it, so I will do it with red color. But if I had to sedate it, for example, if the case was hyperthyroidism, then I would want to sedate this chakra. Then I would do it with the brown color. So that is basically, it is the same theory as for magnets, according to Axis law. So if brain is excessive, like in, for example, in meningitis, then apply seeds or bunch magnet. When you apply seeds or you apply bunch magnet, it is, it just harmonizes the chakra. It is not tonifying or sedating. It harmonizes the chakra and it is very good treatment. But when you are doing color, then you have to decide whether it has to be tonified or sedated. So for meningitis, you will apply for brain, you will apply either seeds over here, a bunch of seeds, or you will apply the bunch magnet like that on the Ajna chakra, or you can sedate brain, the hotness chakra. Now, to sedate it, by coloring the chakra with you will obviously see the tonification of the hotness chakra is orange color. So the sedation is blue. So you'll have to sedate it with blue color. And when you have to sedate it with blue color, what you will do is you will start from the outside, all right, because it is like locking something. So start from the outside and go inside in the anti-clockwise direction. So this is sedation of the chakra. That is how you will do it. So tonification has to be done by starting the color in the clockwise direction and starting from the inside to going to the outside. That is showing expansion. All right, that is tonification. But when you are doing sedation, then you start from the outside and anti-clockwise and locking the energy inside. So going from the outside and, literally going inside. So that is sedation of the chakra. Lungs can be treated in two ways: by the pathway criteria, which is the wind chakra, because wind chakra is here and it is absolutely on the lungs. You can treat it that way also, or by the organ chakra. Organ chakra is, if you remember, according to Axis law, the organ chakra would be the dryness chakra. So you can even treat it with the dryness chakra, which is here in this area, and the lungs can be treated by these two. So this was a brief introduction to chakra healing on our hands, which should be done along with meridian treatment for a complete cure of chronic diseases. In chronic diseases, treat both the meridians on both the hands, like, the primary meridians on both the hands, and treat the chakra on any one hand, which you want to treat on, because chakra is only one, right? Another very important concept that I want to cover in this video is that we need to understand the energy circulation in meridians and chakras. Energy circulation. Now, there are two types of energy circulation in the human body. They are structural and functional. Functional or operational also it is called. Structural is how it is according to the body, and functional is how it is functioning. Now, the structural energy circulation is according to the access law. Okay, it is according to the access law. This is the access law, and this is the structural energy chart. Now, according to access law, liver and gallbladder are being treated by wind energy. That is the structural energy for liver and gallbladder. The structural energy for small intestine and heart is the heat energy. For the structural energy for the TW and brain is the hotness energy. The structural energy for stomach and spleen and pancreas is the humidity energy. And the structural energy for lungs and LI, large intestine, is the dryness energy. And lastly, the structural energy for kidney and urinary bladder is the coldness energy. So the structural energy is exactly according to the access law, how we have studied according to the access law. But there is another circulation, like I told you, that is going on in our body, which is the functional circulation. It is called the functional energy circulation. This is according to when a particular energy is active. Now, in one of our previous videos, we had learned about the organ clock time of each meridian. Remember, when a meridian actually becomes active, at what time you should treat that meridian for a certain disease. Like, for example, I told you for diabetes, you have spleen and pancreas, and you have to treat it from 9 to 11 a.m. That was the time. So that would be the most effective treatment for diabetes. Now, if you see this, we had seen this, that according to the organ clock time, how each meridian is functioning. Now, if you notice in this, we see that the lung and the LI meridians, okay, lung and large intestine meridians, which are dryness meridians structurally, according to access law, right, are actually active and functioning best between 3 a.m. to 7 a.m., which is actually the time related to the early morning. Now, the beginning of the day, which is wind energy, because we said the wind energy is the start of everything. So the beginning of the day would also be depicted by the wind energy, according to access law. This implies that the lung and large intestine meridians are structurally, according to access law, dryness meridians, but functionally, because they are functioning best in the morning times, which is the wind energy time, they are wind meridians. So this is how, so functionally they are wind meridians. So means that in order to treat wind diseases, we can treat on liver and gallbladder meridian also structurally, and on lungs and large intestine meridians functionally. So this is a concept which we will be using to treat do energy healing for a lot of diseases in my future course. But this is a concept that I wanted to introduce in this, so that you just keep these terms in mind. Similarly, the organ clock time of kidney and urinary bladder meridians is the sunset time. Now, which relates more to the dryness energy time according to access law. So functionally, kidney and urinary bladder meridians are dryness meridians, and structurally, they are coldness meridians. Similarly, the organ clock time of gallbladder and liver meridians is midnight, which according to the access law is coldness energy. So that means that liver and gallbladder meridians are structurally wind meridians according to the access law, but functionally they are coldness meridians, as they function best at night. So this is how the structural and functional circulation of energy in the body happens. What you need to notice is that if you see according to the access law, only the bottom three energies are the ones which have the structural and functional circulations which are different. But for the energies which are on the top, the three energies on top, like the heat, hotness, and humidity energies in the access law, they are the same structurally and functionally, as they fall at the same time according to the access law as well. So they do not change. Now, for that, you need to see this. Now, in this, if you notice, the bottom three energies, the wind energy, the coldness energy, and the dryness energy, these three change according to functional energy. But in the energies on top, the heat, hotness, and humidity, they are the same as structural and functional. So the structural energy for large intestine and lung would be dryness energy, but the functional would be wind energy. So that is how, and it will be, you know, applied later on in a lot of cases when we are healing, and that is when I will actually again introduce this and explain it in detail. Okay, now this concept, okay, needs to be understood deeply and thoroughly. Best results are achieved if we understand whether we need to treat on the structural or functional meridians. Now, for example, now say we have to treat the eye, you know, the structural treatment will be done if the eye has been physically injured. Okay, for example, you injure it, hurt it in some accident or something, then you will treat it structurally because the structure has been injured. But in case if there is a vision problem, okay, or if the retina or the cornea or something is not functioning properly in the eyes, then we will treat the eyes by the functional treatment, circulation. So this is how we apply the structural and the functional treatment for different diseases. This we will be applying in more depth, like I said, in the higher levels of energy healing in the future courses. Okay, so this brings us to the end of this Meridians Awareness course. And I sincerely hope that you are enjoying the beginning of into metaphysical healing and you are experiencing beautiful results. Keep applying this knowledge and smile and spread smiles all over. There is a lot to learn and master, and believe me, it is extremely interesting and gives amazing and miraculous results in healing. So please carry on with your journey and move into the next course, which is the Mudra Gestures Blueprint, which is also included in this bundle. See you there. Thank you.